Hello! I want to show you how I'm quickly fixing the text layout over here. As you can see, this is the mobile version and I don't like how the text aligned here. So I want to make it like a little bit sleek and elegant. So what we need to do is open up the Elementor and we need to highlight the text, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Advanced and I'm going to play with the padding until I reach something I like. Oops, sorry. So the rule is when you link together and you increase the percentage, I always work with percentage because then it keeps it aligned when the screen shrinks. Okay, if you work with pixels, then it's only relevant for the type of screen that you are on. Percentage is relevant to all screens. So we are going to increase and then we can unlock the link values, remove the top because I don't want it to be on the top, and also the bottom, I don't want it. What I do want is the left and right. So I'm just going to start decreasing here, decreasing here, and what else I can do, I can go into content, highlight everything, and just assign it to be to the left, stick it to the left. Now it looks much better, doesn't it? Now you can go and play with it more and, you know, with padding. And basically what the padding is doing is it moves the content away from the border, okay, from the inner border. That's it. This is how you quickly align text on mobile. Let's see how it looks. I think it looks good. That's it.